In this evening's video, as promised, we will be testing the Amazon foam cannon with a gas-powered pressure washer. Troy-built pressure washer, 2600 psi, 2.3 gallons per minute. So, the guinea pig for this is Tim's G35. It has been featured in a couple other videos. I will link those videos above. We already have the Chemical Guys HoneyDew Snow Foam in the foam cannon ready to go. Okay, so as you can see, used about 2/3 of the bottle and foamed the entire car. I did fan out the spray on the driver's side to show that it is adjustable. The initial foaming, once it hits the car, does seem to be thicker than the electric pressure washer. It's more, well, I guess it's more like a lather, like a shaving cream, versus once it starts to run off with the electric pressure washer, it's more like a, I guess you'd call it, it's more foamy like suds. And we're going to let him wash and dry it because, well, I need to work on the video. So, for the third installment of the foaming of a vehicle on the Gav Details channel, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, leave them below. And for more detailing videos, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks.